One day, humans may be able to overcome the impacts of population growth, such as famine, war, and disease outbreaks. But one thing is for sure, the Earth will eventually be destroyed by fire with all its contents. Doomsday is possible, but it's still a long time. According to researchers, it will be about 6 billion years. A report on the future of our sun shows that although the Earth may not be completely destroyed after the sun explodes, the only remaining remains will be a large, dry, frozen rock without life. Whatever the experts say, taking into account the current composition of the sun and its level of evolution, it is estimated that the sun will die or burn out in a series of helium gas explosions that will destroy about 40% of its weight. According to the experts' calculations, the Earth still has about 6 billion years before life on this planet cannot be maintained, because at that time the sun will begin to swell until it finally becomes a spaceship 200 times larger than it is now and emits very high heat. The high temperature will evaporate all the water in the sea, all the water in the lake, and kill all forms of life on Earth. Our current solar system, according to experts, with one sun and a planet orbiting around it, including the Earth, was created about 4 billion years ago. Research results on the sun or the stars in other solar systems show that the sun that we see every day is almost half its lifespan, which is estimated at 12 billion years. Experts classify the sun as a Class G star, measured from the light and color of its radiation that is visible from the Earth. The temperature on its surface is now estimated at around 10,300 degrees Fahrenheit or 5,700 degrees Celsius. Currently, the sun is still in a stable main phase where it continues to burn the hydrogen gas supply contained in it. As a Class G star, the sun is estimated to remain in that phase for another 6 billion years. A report published in the Astrophysical Journal said that after the sun reaches 11 billion years old, the celestial body will enter the next phase of development and become what is described as a red giant star. The giant star is formed because the helium gas in its core explodes so that the sun swells 200 times larger than its current size and its light is 2,000 times brighter. Then, for the next 150 million years, the sun's temperature will drop again because the helium in its core has run out, but then the helium gas in the outer layers will explode in succession and throwing the destroyed parts into space so that the weight or mass of the sun will continue to decrease. 1 million years later, the eye continues to shrink in size until its light dims and finally disappears completely. Before that, humans may have had time to move to another planet, as imagined by the late famous astrophysicist Professor Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk, a big businessman who is preparing a human flight to the planet Mars. Future humans may be able to witness the dying solar system as a dark star, black star surrounded by burnt-out planets, so maybe that's all we can convey in this video. Hopefully it can increase your knowledge, and thank you.